Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Today I will make a video presentation about software and operating system. Before start, let me introduce myself. My name is Amar Dwiat Mojo. I'm from Informatic Department and my student ID in 15240762. What is software and operating system? Software is a collection of programs or instructions that control computer hardware. Operating system (OS) the main software that manage all computer resource and facilities interaction between user and hardware. The types of software. Number 1. System software. For example, operating system, drivers, and utilities. The function manage hardware and provides a platform for application software. Number 2. Application software. For example, Microsoft Office is Microsoft Word, Microsoft Excel, and others. Photoshop, web browser. The function is help user perform specific tasks. Number 3. Programming software. For example, Notepad, compilers, Visual Studio Code, NetBeans, and others. The function is help programmers writing, testing, and maintaining program. Function of operating system. Manage process or task management, manage memory, manage hardware device, provide a user interface, offer service to run application. Types of operating system. In your computer, Windows, Mac OS, Linux, and the Linux is open source for a server. In your smartphone, Android, or iOS for iPhone. The role of the operating system on a computer. Connect users to the hardware, ensure all applications to run smoothly, manage the efficient use of computer resources, and provide security and data protection. The conclusion of this material. Software is the heart of computer, and the operating system is the most important software managing all basic computer function. Thank you for attention, and I hope you find great information in my presentation. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Today I want to make a video about hardware presentation. Before start, let me introduce myself. My name is Amar Dwiat Mojo, and my number student is 15240762. What is the hardware? Hardware is physical components of a computer that can be touched and seen, and the function of the hardware is supports data processing based on instruction from software. The categories of hardware. Number 1, input device. The function is send data to computer. Example for your input device is keyboard, mouse, scanner, and webcam. Number 2, processing device. The function of processing device is process incoming data. For example, is CPU, central processing unit. Number 3, output device. The function is display the result of data processing, and the example for output device is monitor, printer, and speakers. Number 4, storage device. The function is store data temporarily or permanently. For example, hard disk, SSD, flash drive, CD, or DVD. CPU, central processing unit. What is the CPU? CPU is a brain of the computer. The function is responsible for executing instruction and commands. CPU consists of 2 units. Number 1 is ALU, arithmetic logic unit, performs calculating and logical operation. Number 2 is CU, control units, control the execution of instruction. And the next is memory. Memory consists of 2 units, Number one is RAM, random access memory. Temporary memory used while the computer is running. If you open the browser or many application in your computer, in your smartphone, and your laptop, RAM is work. And number two, ROM, read-only memory, permanent memory containing essential instruction, cannot be modified. For example is bootloader and firmware. Next is relationship between hardware and software. Hardware cannot function without instruction from software. Software needs hardware to run, and both complement each other to make a computer system work. The conclusion of this matter, number one is hardware includes all physical parts of a computer, and number two, hardware consists of input, processing, output, and storage components. Thank you for your attention, and I hope you find good information in my presentation. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.